standing next to a dinosaur over here, right? Those guys. This is a bigger dinosaur getting ready to eat that one. You think those guys would at least flinch?
Oh, it is super dark in here. God, what is that noise?
That's the time travel machine. Oh.
Oh my. Damn, it is pitch dark as hell in here. Oh, hello. Dang, okay. You ain't gotta get so close. Oh, now he's in darkness again. They need some light up there. No. There was some snake thing over there, but it was in the dark. And it made, I guess it made a noise.
We're in Pigeon Forge.
Got a kid. That is inappropriate. Oh, look over here. of water. Really? Did you not get any? Because it cut me directly. Good. Better not spit water again. What'd you think of it, honey?
It was fun, but not in a holy crap, there's dinosaurs kind of way. You know, holy crap, they call those dinosaurs kind of a way.
I mean, we entertained ourselves.
We laughed all the way through it. I mean,
it's $15.99 per adult, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a little pricey, but it is a little cheesy. The noises are, some noises are, they kind of hurt a little bit. They're pretty bad.
You know what? It sounded like the sound effects from the original Godzilla movies.
Right, like the black and white.
Yeah, like they tried to make a dinosaur sound, but it sounds tinny, like it's being screamed into a tin can.
Yeah, the noises were pretty bad.
And then there was like, their timing is severely off with everything. The boat will go forward and stop for 5 minutes, and then a light will come on and a dinosaur will be there.
And then the dinosaur makes terrible noises.
Yeah. And then sometimes the lights don't come on. There was a snake next to us at one point that I almost had to shine my flashlight on from my phone.
Yeah, it's pretty dark. There's a lot of spots in there where you're in pitch darkness. So if you have really little kids, I would not recommend it.
There was a lot of the scenes, like the boat moves and stops and moves and stops and moves and stops. It's not actually a boat, it's on a track. And there were a lot of the scenes where the boat would stop and you'd see the scene way up in front of you, and it would go through its whole entire thing, its whole spiel of what was happening, and then the lights would turn off, and then your boat would move up to where that scene actually is, and then you'd get to see it all over again. They need to work on the timing a little bit, but it was fun.
And at one point, a pterodactyl does fly off with a small child in one of the scenes. So also maybe because of that, you may not want to take your small children.
There's a couple of attempts at jump scares. They fail miserably, but
yeah,
it might scare a kid.
You get a little wet at one point. Something comes out and squirts some water on you.
But they do come out, like after the people get off of the boat that you're getting ready to get on, the guy goes over and sprays it all down with cleaner and wipes it really good. So if you're worried about the coronavirus, they do a pretty good job of cleaning.
Yeah, he cleaned the rows that people just got out of, and then he tells you, okay, so now you get in these rows. And
he cleans the posts too, like the handles to get in and out of the boats that are on the ramp. He cleans those too.
We only had one other couple in the boat with us.
Yeah, they're in the front. We were all the way
in the back.
The two seats in the middle were empty, and he made the other people that were waiting behind us wait for the next boat.
Yeah, also, one other little note, if you have anxiety like I do and are prone to panic attacks, you also might get a little anxious in the pitch dark areas, but...
Because you're in the dark for a long time. The boat sits and waits and waits and waits while nothing happens, and then it moves, and then you wait, and then finally something happens.
Yeah, it definitely gives the anxious mind a lot of time to start to create panic a little bit. I could even feel something coming on, but I kind of just breathed my way through it. So, yes, the Jurassic boat ride in Pigeon Forge. Maybe do it once, maybe not take your small children.
If you don't take it seriously, you'll have a good time.
Yeah, we just kind of laughed at the absolutely terrible, literally falling apart animatronics.
One of the dinosaurs' mouth, instead of doing all of this, it was just hanging there and flopping. Yeah, every time he'd move, his mouth would do like this.
It was like he got into a fight, and he was clearly losing the fight because his flesh was kind of falling off. So, you know, it is what it is, I suppose.